In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. So let me connect with this one, or not, that one. So I will just provide the password. And when the password is entered, just tap on connect. And as soon as you are connected to Wi-Fi, we can start the operation. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select advanced settings, and here you will notice backup at the bottom of the list. So just mark it, and if you'd like to activate Google Backup, click on Backup My Data. Turn it on by using the switcher. Let's go back, and now you can add your backup account. Just click on Backup Account, tap on plus to add it, and at first provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And tap on Go. And now it's time to provide the password, so I will also do it off the screen. Here it is, and click on Next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. Click on Next then, and that's it. You've just activated Google Backup, and you don't have to be worried about your data. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.